I really needed a new ladder because my old ladder just wasn't cutting it for me anymore. It wasn't tall or sturdy enough, and I always felt a little nervous while using it, so I was able to get a new one from Gorilla Made Products. This model is the GMPXT 19B multi-position ladder. And yes, this is the same brand that makes the very popular garden carts that so many people love. I have one and it's great, so I was really excited to get this ladder because I am expecting the same great quality in their ladders. It's got some great features, so let's dive in. There are rungs on both sides of the ladder, so if there is a job requiring two people, it would be safe to use this ladder, or if I needed help, I could have someone on the other side, and each side has a 375-pound weight capacity. This ladder has a maximum reach of 12 feet 2 inches in the twin step position, which is the position that I think I will use this ladder in the most, but you can also put it in different configurations like for stairs, which is nice. Or you can fully extend it to its maximum reach of 19 feet 1 inch to place it against your house or other structures where you might need that much height. There's also an attachable project bucket, which I like so that I can put tools in it so I can more or less keep my hands free or just not be fumbling around with a bunch of different tools. So this will really come in handy for me. For safety, there are hinge and rail locks. The hinge locks are what you'll release to change the position of your ladder, and then the rail locks are to adjust the height. And when you secure all of the locks in place, this ladder will be ready and safe to use. And for a taller ladder, I have to say, you can make it really nice and compact to a smaller size when you're done with it to store it. And although I do feel like it is a bit heavy, it's actually easy enough for someone petite like myself to lift and carry it because it's easy to get a good grip on the ladder. But this ladder does have wheels on it, so if you don't want to lift it, you can just wheel it away, which I think is a nice touch. Overall, this was a great upgrade from my old ladder, and I am really happy to have it. Gorilla Made Products makes a bunch of different ladders with different heights, but I imagine most, if not all, models of their ladders has the safety locks. But this is a solid ladder, and I really think I'll be able to get a lot done with it, and I think it will come in handy for plum season so I can reach some higher branches to harvest more fruit.